Hello, my name is Muhammad Afifin Hasmizul. I am from University Malaya. I am doing my internship in Vicinity Sdn Bhd. I am the Assistant Mechanical Engineer. I am doing my internship from 18th of July 2022 until 30 September 2022. So today I will briefly talk about the safety measures in the workshop. Firstly, wear shoes and coverall. Secondly, put your mask, goggles, and safety gloves. Thirdly, always be aware and careful when handling tools. Lastly, keep the tools back at its place after use. Thank you, Vicinity, for this internship opportunities. I hope that my work contributes to your future success. Bye.